All right, today I've got Space Oddity by David Bowie for you. So we're going to start out with the F major 7 chord, 3, 2, 1, and open. E minor. Okay, so it kind of fades in with those two chords. So really, by the time you start hearing it in the version I was just listening to, you hear a F major 7 and then an E minor, and then it switches to C, and that's where the verse starts. So our first strum pattern in the song is like a down, up, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. So think about that. We got that F major 7 to E minor. Let's try to count this in. And it's down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. So 2, 3, 4. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Let's keep that going. So it's kind of like you count like 1 E and that's where you get that up. 1 E and up, down, down, up. 1 E and up, down. 1 E and up, down. 1 E and So it's the 4th 16th note of that first beat if you keep track of stuff like that. So then we're going to get into the verse. We're going to have that same strum. We're going to start in a C, and then we're going to go to E minor. And we're going to do the C to E minor twice. So 2, 3, 4. E minor, C again, E minor. Now we're going to go A minor. Now we're kind of going to a C, but it's really like, in this case, it's like a A minor with a G bass. We're bringing our G in there, and it makes it look like a C, but we're really going like kind of A minor to A minor with a G bass. And you can kind of hit that one on that upstroke. So when we're making these chords go faster, it's kind of like the upstroke hits where the new chord happens. So then we're going D7, full D7. So the A minor to the A minor G went faster than the others. Okay, so let's start at that C again. And once again, our strum is down, up, down, 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 up, down. So let's try that. 2, 3, and down, up, down, E minor. Now we got our A minor thing coming up. D7. Then we repeat C. So we're going to do all this again. E minor. C, E minor. We got our A minor, D7, and at that point we just hold that, and then it gets all these spacey sounds going. You might try stuff like just making some crazy sounds kind of thing. Another fun one I like to do is this diminished chord where it's like 2, 3, 2, 3. Sounds kind of like a rocket ship going off. You can use your nail against there, use your pick against there, make some weird sounds. So anyway, you can fill that space with whatever kind of fun stuff you want to do. Okay, and then when we move into the next part after the sound effects, we're going to have the C chord again. We're going to go to an E major this time, but we have a slightly different strum. So we're going to have down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. So try that one more time. 2, 3, and. So pretty basic stuff. Then we're going to go to an E major, do the same thing. 2, 3, and. And then we're going to go to an F. 3, 4. Okay, let's try the C, E, and F again. 2, 3, and. E, F. Now we're going to go to F minor, 3, 1, 1, 1. And we're going going to go to C after that, but we're kind of going to combine these two into the same measure. And then F major. We'll do the F minor again. C. See how it hits that upbeat again on that C? So a lot of times you'll have, when you have a split measure of two chords, that upstroke will come in and hit on the second chord. So let's go from the F minor again. 2, 3, and C, F major, and that goes the whole set. F minor again, C, F again. Okay, then we start that whole thing over again on the C. So we're gonna have down, down, up, down, down, up, down. 2, 3, and E major, F. Then we have the F minor C, F major, full thing. Back to F minor, C, F. Okay, so I know that's kind of tough, so let's take that real slow. So we're going to go from C to E to F, and then we're going to do our F minor C thing. So nice and slow. 2, 3, 4. E, F, F minor C, F major. Got the F minor again. And if it's too hard to hit that upbeat on that C thing, then just do the F minor. You could use like just the basic same kind of strum for each one and make them kind of even, like down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. You don't always have to hit that upstroke, but it is in there if you wanted to try it. So once again, the F minor to C would be 2, 3, and upstroke, F. Okay, so this new part, we're going to have this F major 7. We're going to have this new strum. It's kind of like the intro, but it has one extra strum in there. So it's like. Okay, so we got down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Let's try that again. 2, 3, and down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. And we have F major 7 to E minor twice. So once again, 2, 3, and up, down, down, up. Now we have a new bridge here. We have a B flat to the A minor and G to the F. 2 and 3 and 4. So let's look at that again. We got like a B flat, 3 3 3, and I'm muting that bottom string. So it's like that planet Earth is blue part. So it's like planet Earth is blue, and the G to F I can do. Let's try it again. 2 3 and B flat A minor and G to the F. 2 3 4. Now we have a new little chords thing. We have C C F G G A A C C F G G A A. Let's try that. 2 3 4. C C F G G A A C C F G G A A. And of course you can do that just kind of quicker if you can get these bars down with get some of these fingers to get those 3s in a row. It makes things a lot quicker. So let's try it again. 3 4. C to F to G to A A C to F to G to A A. Okay, so that's a little tricky because they move quick. There's another thing you could add to that. C C F C G G A A C C F C G. So you got a quick C before that G if you want to add that in there. You don't need to though. C C F C G G A A C C F C G G A A. And Let's do it again without that C in there. So C, F, G, A. C, C, F, G, A, A. C, C, F, G, A, A. Okay, so either way you want to do that one. Then we're moving on. We're going to have so F major 7 to E minor again, that's normal, but now we're gonna have an A major come in there, and a C, and a D, and an E major. So let's look at this. We're gonna have E minor, A, C, D, E. Okay, now we're into the next verse. So let's go over that one more time. We got F major 7, E minor, A, C, D, and E major. So here we go. Now A to C. Then D to E. Okay, now we're in the third verse. We're going to go back to the C chord. We're going to have, so that's our strum again, where we had down, down, up, down, up, down. So let's follow through this. This is going to be C, E major, F, and then that F minor to C thing again. So 2, 3, and E major, F, F minor, C, F minor C again. Now we're going to go G. That's a E7, 2, 1, 3 open, or you could do the easy one, 0, 1, open, open. So let's go from that G again, 3 and 4 and E7, A minor to A minor with the G, which looks like a C, and then D7. And then we're going to go C, then we're going to go G. So let's look through all that again. So we're going to have the G is our new chord, and then we're going to an E7 of some sort, and then A minor to that, lift that out to get a G in there, looks like a C. So let's try that from the G again. G, E7, A minor, pull that one out, and then D7, 3 and 4 and E7, A minor, pull that one out, and then we got D7, longer, full measure, and then C, we got G. Okay, so we got this F major 7, E minor a couple times, then we got that Planet Earth is Blue B flat thing, A minor, G to F, 2 and 3. Then we got those chords, C to F, G, A, C to F, G, A, F major 7, E minor, A major, C, heading towards the outro here, D, and then we got E. Hold that E, keep that rolling. Kind of fades out with that. All right, Space Oddity by David Bowie. Hope you all enjoyed that. There will be a tab to go with this. So check out that tab and give it a download. Thanks for watching Damon's Baritone Uke Joint. We'll see you soon. Peace out.